Today in our chapter, that is triangle and its property, we will discuss about two special triangles. Okay, two special triangles we will discuss, that is equilateral and isosceles triangle. About these two triangles we will discuss, and right angle triangle also. About right angle triangle also we will discuss here. So just see what these in the beginning of this chapter also we have discussed about the equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scalene triangle. So what is an equilateral triangle? In an equilateral triangle, three sides, okay, three sides of a triangle are of equal length. If three sides are of equal length, it is known as equilateral triangle. Just see our diagram here. Here a triangle ABC, it is given to us. Okay, the name of this triangle is triangle ABC. In this triangle ABC, three sides are of same length. Okay, AB, it is equals to AC, it is equals to BC. So all these three sides are of same length. Okay, the another property of an equilateral triangle are the three sides are equal, as well as if we talk about the angle, each angle of a triangle is of 60 degree. Okay, each angle of a triangle is of 60 degree. Because all three sides are equal, so these all angles are also equal, and the measure of each angle is 60 degree. Okay, how we are finding it? How we are finding that measure of each angle is of 60 degree? We know that all angles are equal, and by angle sum property we know the sum is 180. Okay, that's why when you solve it, 3x is equals to 180 and the value of x is 180 upon 3. So easily you can find it out that in an equilateral triangle, all angles are equal, all sides are equal, and each angle having the measurement of 60 degree. Next is isosceles triangle. So as the name is there, here we are having two sides of equal length. In an isosceles triangle, we are having two sides of equal length. Okay, as the diagram shown here, in this given diagram, x, y, z. This side x, y, it is equals to x, z. So in an isosceles triangle, two sides are of equal length. Two sides have same length, as well as the base angle opposite to the equal sides are equal. What it means? Base angle opposite to the equal side. This, it is the vertex one. Okay, and xy, it is equals to xz. So this y and z, these are known as base angles. These two are base angle because we are considering this yz as baseline. तो ये जो y और z है ये बेस एंगल है. तो what the statement is, base angle opposite to the equal side. इन इक्वल साइड के जो अपोजिट बेस एंगल है वो आपस में इक्वल होते हैं. अपोजिट एंगल ऑफ एक्स वाई, इट इज एंगल जेड. अपोजिट एंगल ऑफ एक्स जेड, इट इज एंगल वाई. So because sides are equal, so angle y is equals to angle z. Okay, these two sides are equal, xy and xz, and these two angles are equal, that is y and z. Next, after these two special types of triangle, we are having the angle sum property of a triangle. Okay, sorry, we are having the sum of length. When we are talking about the sum of length of a triangle, then the sum of length of any two side of triangle is greater than the third side. Okay, for example, the same diagram we are having here, triangle XYZ. Okay, what the triangle we are considering? In triangle XYZ, what we are saying, that sum of length of any two side of triangle is greater than third side. If we add two sides of a triangle, okay, अगर हम XY में XZ add करते हैं, then it will be greater than YZ. Okay, you can take any two pair. if you add xy and yz, it will greater than xz. Or if you are adding yz with xz, it will be greater than xy. Okay, so in a particular triangle, whatever the triangle is given to you, if we are adding two sides of a triangle, it is greater than the third side. This you need to take care, this you need to learn. Okay, in any given diagram, in any given triangle. Okay, it depends on the name of the triangle. Here the name is xyz. So any two side, if you will add, it will be greater than the third side. Yes, next we are having right angle triangle and Pythagoras property. Pythagoras property, it is for right angle triangle. Okay, so first of all, what is a right angle triangle? What is a right angle triangle? So a triangle in which one of the angle is of 90 degree, it is known as right angle triangle. Okay, in any triangle, if one of the angle is of 90 degree, it is right angle triangle. Okay, and now few definitions are there. Okay, in a right angle triangle, what the things we are having? The side opposite to the right angle is hypotenuse. Two other sides are known as legs. This also we'll discuss. We will discuss about the Pythagoras property also. Okay, so let us see about the right angle triangle. So just see, a triangle whose one angle is right angle is called a right angle triangle. So just see a diagram here. Here angle B is of 90 degree. So this triangle is right angle triangle. Okay, this triangle is right angle triangle because in this given triangle, one angle is of 90 degree. Now, few terms are there. The side opposite to the right angle is called hypotenuse. Okay, so the side opposite to 90 degree means angle B आपका 90 degree है. So just see the side opposite to this angle B. Angle B के opposite side, it is AC. So the name of AC is, it is known as hypotenuse. Okay, yes. Next, the other two sides are known as legs of the right angle triangle. These two sides, AB and BC, these are known as legs, these are known as arms, or this base BC, we can say it as base. Okay, this AB, this we say it as, it is perpendicular. Okay, we are saying it is perpendicular. This AB, it is perpendicular. AC, it is hypotenuse. BC, it is base. Okay, so these are the terms for a right angle triangle. For a right angle triangle, these are the few terms are there. Now, Pythagoras property is there. Pythagoras property, it is only for a right angle triangle. Pythagoras property right angle triangle के लिए ही होती है. So what is the Pythagoras property? So in a right angle triangle, किसी भी right angle triangle में, for this, for example, in this triangle ABC, अगर ये triangle है ABC, so in this triangle ABC, what is the Pythagoras property? Just see here, the square on the hypotenuse. Okay, if you do the square of the hypotenuse, that AC square. Okay, square of the hypotenuse is AC square. It is equal to the sum of square of the legs. किसके इक्वल होता है? Sum to the square of the legs. ओके, जब हम लेग्स का स्क्वायर करते हैं, आर्म्स का स्क्वायर करते हैं, या परपेंडिकुलर और बेस का स्क्वायर करते हैं, सो इट दे आर इक्वल. किसके इक्वल होते हैं? इक्वल होते हैं. सो आपको क्या याद रखना है? स्क्वायर ऑफ हाइपोटेनस, ठीक है, जो भी आपका हाइपोटेनस है, स्क्वायर ऑफ हाइपोटेनस इज इक्वल टू द सम ऑफ स्क्वायर ऑफ बेस एंड स्क्वायर ऑफ परपेंडिकुलर. ओके, अगर आपको लेग्स आर्म्स लर्न रख रहे हैं, इट्स वेल एंड गुड. Otherwise, what you are saying, what you can say, that the square of hypotenuse, okay, square of hypotenuse, it is equals to square of base plus square of perpendicular. This you need to learn. Okay, with the help of this, we can easily solve whatever the questions are there in our exercise. Okay, in exercise 6.5, whatever the questions are there, with the help of this property, we can easily solve those questions. Now see, let us revise all the things we have discussed in this chapter. First of all, regarding triangle, it is a closed figure made up of 3 sides. So in this triangle ABC, 3 sides are there. कौन-कौन सी 3 sides है हमारे पास? AB, BC and CA. एंगल्स हैं जिनको आप डिनोट कर सकते हो, एंगल बी, एंगल सी एंड एंगल ए से. देन वर्टिसेस आर देयर, वर्टिसेस ए, बी एंड सी. देन टाइप्स ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स वी हैव डिस्कस्ड. A triangle having all sides equal, it is known as equilateral triangle. 2 sides are equal, isosceles triangle. All 3 sides are of different length, scalene triangle. A triangle in which each angle is less than 90, acute angle triangle. A triangle whose one angle is of 90, right angle triangle. A triangle whose one angle measure more than 90, obtuse angle triangle. Okay, इसके बाद हमने डिस्कस किया, in equilateral triangle, each angle is of 60 degree. Okay, in isosceles triangle, the angle opposite to equal sides are equal. स्केलिन ट्राइंगल में कोई भी इक्वल एंगल नहीं होते हैं, क्योंकि कोई भी इक्वल साइड्स नहीं होती हैं. दैट्स व्हाई ऑल साइड्स ऑफ डिफरेंट मेजर, ऑल एंगल्स आर ऑफ डिफरेंट मेजर. मीडियन हमने डिस्कस किया, अ लाइन फ्रॉम द वर्टेक्स व्हिच डिवाइड्स अपोजिट साइड इनटू 2 इक्वल पार्ट. एल्टीट्यूड हमने डिस्कस किया, that altitude, it is perpendicular to the opposite side. Okay, कोई भी ट्रायंगल हो हमारे पास, we are having 3 medians and 3 altitudes, ये हमने डिस्कस किया था. Then regarding the exterior angle property, that the exterior angle, it is equal to the sum of opposite to interior angle. Angle sum property we have discussed, that sum of all angle is of 180 degree. Then right angle property. Okay, this right angle property, Pythagoras property we have discussed. Okay, so this is all related to our chapter, that is chapter 6 point, sorry, that is chapter 6. Okay, with the help of these all things, we can easily solve whatever the questions are there in our this particular chapter.